We were supposed to start with this first sum, cash budget. See, Z Limited wishes to arrange for the overdraft facility with its bankers during the period April to June. आपको cash budget बनाना है for the above period. Prepare a cash budget for the above period from the following data, including the extent of bank facilities that company may require at the end of the each month. Now sales are given, purchases and wages. Three things are given from February to June. What he says, 50% of credit sales are realized in the month following the sales. In the month following the sales means 1 month later on. February, for February it would be March. For March it would be April and so on. Sorry. And remaining sales in the second month following, because he says 50% of the credit sales are 1 month following, so another rest 50% will be in second month following. For February, second month following will be April. Yesterday only we discussed, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is creditors are paid in the month following the purchases. Creditors means from whom I buy the raw material. Means purchases. So what he says, creditors are paid. That means we are paying to creditors in the month following the purchases. Means if I've purchased in the month of February, I will pay them in the month of March. 1 month following. In the month following means 1 month following. Means next month. I'm going to pay you next month. Cash in bank on 1st April is estimated at 25,000. 1st April means opening balance. So remember I told you first year's month opening balance will be given in the question. Remember? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us start with the format. Write down Z Limited on the top of the page. Okay, next write down cash budget. Cash budget. Now you have to make a statement of cash budget. So how many columns will you make? How many months they are asking? How many months they have asked to prepare?
Ma'am, April to June, 3.
Yes. So one particular column and 3 months, April, May, June. Just the way they have made here. See, particulars, April, May and June. So this is particulars. Particulars. This will be April. This will be May. And this will be June. Okay. Now, we should always start with opening balance. Always remember, you have to start your sum with opening balance, then receipts, then payments, and then last part will be closing balance. This is how you have to make the format. Can you tell me opening balance of April? Is it given? Cash opening balance is given in the question. Read out the last adjustment.
Yes,
Cash.
ma'am. 25,000.
Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Cash,
25,000.
yes. Read out the last adjustment. Cash in bank on April 1st is estimated rupees 25,000. April 1st means opening balance. So it is already given. Okay, if you want, you can write it in the bracket. If you want, given. Okay, now for May, opening balance is not given, and for June, opening balance is not given. We will find it out. Okay, now after opening balance, we have receipts. Write down receipts just the way I am writing. Receipts. Now underline this word receipts. Now in receipts, how many receipts you have? Only one, sales. See, in this table, how many things are given? 3. Sales, purchase, wages. So sales is only my receipt. It is only one income that is given in the question, sales. Whereas purchase and wages are my expenses, payments. So in receipts, only one thing will be there. That is collection from debtors. Collection from debtors means sales. When I do sales, afterwards when I receive cash from my debtors, that is known as my income. So income will be collection from debtors. Collection from debtors. You have to underline this part, collection from debtors, and then come to the next line. You have to write A. There are two parts, no? Read out the second adjustment. 50% of credit sales are realized in month following and remaining sales in the second month following. So there are two things, A and B. A is 50 percentage hyphen 1 month following. 1 month following. Are you following me? Are you getting this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What he says is first 50% will be 1 month following and next 50% will be 2 month following.
Second.
Yeah, 2 month following, second month following, it is one and the same thing. So I will write 1 and 2 because I have written 1. Therefore, to match this statement, I will write 2. You can write second month following also. That is not wrong. Okay. So 2 months following, 1 month following. Okay. Now, just a minute. Okay. So now what you have to do, see, 50% 1 month following. Now you have to think this way. April is 1 month following of which month? Now I have to start from April, no? So I have to think not for February but for March. Because for March, the 1 month following is April. I need to write down the answer of April. Therefore, I have to look down at March. For March, what is 1 month following for March?
April.
April.
Yes.
April.
So think for March, 1,92,000 into 50 percentage. Take calci and tell me 1,92,000 into 50 percentage because 50 percentage is only 1 month following.
Ma'am,
96,000.
96,000.
Very good. So for March, it is 1,92,000 sales, but 50 percentage I will receive it in the month of April. So I'm standing on April only, and I'm standing here 1 month following ka slot. So I will write here 96,000. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us complete this lot first, 1 month following. Don't shift to second month following. First, you have to complete 1 month following wala slot. Are you following me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute. Let me just make this alignment. Okay. Now come to May. May is 1 month following of which month? April. Now you have to think about April, because if I take April sales and then I take 1 month following, it will be May. So I have to go accordingly. March, April, May. So for March, it will be April. For April, it will be May. And for May, it will be June. So now I have to think for April. Now tell me, April is 1,08,000 into 50 percentage.
54,000.
Very good. 54,000 I will have to write in the month of May, because sales are done in the month of April, but I will receive the amount in the month of May, and that to 50 percentage only. I will receive only 50 percentage. Another 50 percentage after 2 months. I will come to that slot, but first rule is to complete 1 month following. Okay, now come again to the month of June. For June, which month I have to think for?
May.
Very good.
May.
Because
May.
if you are selling goods in the month of May, and then you will receive 1 month following, means for May 1 month following means June. So if you want to answer for June, you have to think for May. Okay, so May 1,74,000 into 50 percentage.
87,000.
87,000. Now come in the slot of 2 month following. Now I'm standing in the column of April. April is 2 month following of which month? That means I have to think.
February.
Very good. I have to
February.
think for which month? February.
February.
Because if I'm selling in the month of February, then leave February, then leave March, and then come to April. So for February, second month following is April. So if I want to fill the answer of April, I have to think for before 2 months. I have to think before 2 months. No, I have to find out the sales of 2 months earlier. Okay, so for April, which month I have to think for?
February.
Yes,
February.
February. So February is 1,80,000. See, therefore February and March ka information is given. You must be thinking, no, they have asked to prepare April to June. So why they are giving the information for February and March? Now the point must be cleared. Okay. So February sales is 1,80,000. So what is 50 percentage of 1,80,000?
90,000.
19,000.
90,000 will be received in the month of April. Now, I'm coming to next month, which is May. May is the second month following of which month? That means you have to think for 2 months before. May is the second month following for which month?
March.
March.
May,
Very good.
March.
Very good. So in short, if you picked up the first one, February, then you have to go in sequence, February, March, April. Okay, if you are picking up the first one correctly, then the sequence you have to follow. Okay, for February it is April, for March it is May, and I'm standing on May only. Okay, now think about March. March ka sales 1,92,000. What is 1,92,000 ka 50 percentage?
96,000.
96,000.
Very good, very good. Now, next, I'm standing in the month of June now. June is the second month. I'm standing here, second month. June is the second month of which month?
April.
April.
Yeah, see, we are going in sequence. February, March, now April. Now take April ka sales. April sales is 1,08,000. 1,08,000 into 50 percentage.
54,000.
54,000. So now you can think about 1 month. Take the example of March. Take the example of March. Huh? I'm just giving you example whether we are going right or wrong. See, March 1,92,000 if you are selling the goods. So 1,92,000, 50 percentage will be received in April, means 1 month following, and another 50% will be received in May, that is second month following. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So think about March 1,92,000. First 50% will be received in April. Correct? 96,000 first month. Is it correct? 96,000.
Yes, ma'am.
1 month following means
ma'am.
for March, 1 month following is April. But now second, another 50%. Look at March only. 1,09,000. We are just cross checking whether we are right. So another 50% of March is also 96,000, because 50% will be 96. Another 50% is received in second month following. For March, second month following is May. So see, second month following May, 96,000. Can you see this? 96,000 1 month following in April, and 96,000 second month following in May. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you want to check one more time, think for April. April 50 percentage in May, and another 50 percentage in June. Okay, 1 month following is May for April, and a second month following for April is June. So first 50 percentage should be in May, and another 50 percentage should be in June. So think about April now. 1,08,000 into 50 percentage, that means 54,000. 1 month following means May, and second month following means June. See, 1 month following May, 54,000. Second month following June, 54,000. Can you see this slanting way?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So this is what I am trying to show you, that first we have to complete 1 month following, and then we have to take 2 month following, and then if you want to verify, you can do it. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now do you have any other receipts? Do you have any other
No.
receipts? No. Now we have payments. Creditors means purchases. So here I will write payments. Payments. But before writing payments, sorry.
Ma'am, total.
Yes, sorry. Before writing payments, we will write here total receipts. And it will be in the block A. Block A means 8 line upar, 8 line niche, 1 line above, 1 line below. Okay. Okay, is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, total we will do it at the last. Total last point. We will leave it as it is. Now come to the payments. First payment is purchases. So think about purchases and come down to the adjustment. Is it given in the adjustment something related to purchases? Is it given?
No.
Yes, it is given.
Yeah.
Read
Yes,
out.
ma'am.
Given.
Creditors.
Read out the
Creditors
second
are paid
adjustment.
1 month.
Yes, creditors are paid in the month following the purchases. Means 1 month following. Okay. So here I will write credit payment to creditors. Okay, just creditors we can write. Creditors. Okay. So here I have to write 1 month following. 1 month following. 1 month following. Okay. Okay. Now 1 month following means what? For April. Now you are standing in the month of April. April is 1 month following of which month? April is following of which month?
Ma'am, May.
No. I'm not asking April's month following. I'm asking you.
Ma'am, March.
हाँ, मतलब आपको 1 महीना पहले सोचना पड़ेगा ना. अप्रैल किस,
March.
अप्रैल जो है ना वो 1 month फॉलोइंग किसका है, किसका?
Ma'am,
March.
March.
Yes, that means April is 1 month following of March. That means you have to think 1 month before. Go 1 month earlier. That means you have to think for March. Now come to March purchases. We are standing on the point of purchases. Okay, so think about March purchases. He is not saying 50%, means 100%, full amount. 1,44,000. If you are purchasing in the month of March, you have to pay it in the month of April. If you are purchasing in the month of April, you have to pay it in the month of May. And if you are purchasing in the month of May, you have to pay it in the month of, yes, June. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now April is 1 month following of which month?
Ma'am, March.
March. तो March का purchase कितना है? What is the purchases of March?
1,44,000.
Here you will write 1,44,000. It means this payment is done to the creditors in the month of April, but you have purchased in the month of March. You have purchased the goods, the raw material from creditors in the month of March, but you are paying them 1 month later. Following means later. And April is later month of March only, no? April is following month of March. Are you understanding this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have started with the month of March, no? Now go in sequence. April. April, for April, which is 1 month following? For April, which is 1 month following?
May.
May. Very good, very good. So we are standing in the month of May only. See? May. We are now standing in the month of May. Another question that I can ask is, May is 1 month following of which month? May
April.
is, yes. This is what I can ask in two ways, two different ways. But answer will be same, no? May is 1 month following of which month? You have to think about 1 month before. So which month? Tell me.
April.
So what is the purchases of April?
2,43,000.
Very good. So here you will write 2,43,000. It means, I will elaborate to make you understand more clearly. It means 2,43,000 worth goods you have purchased from the creditors in the month of April, but you are paying to the creditor in the month of May. Now, did you understand this point clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to June. June is 1 month following of which month?
May.
Very good.
May.
So you have to take the purchases of May. Purchases of May are
2,46,000.
2,46,000.
very good. 2,46,000. It means you have purchased raw material from the creditors in the month of May, but you are going to pay in the month of June. Therefore, you have to put this amount in the month of June. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, after creditors, is there any other payment that is given to you?
Wages.
Very good. Wages. Very good. Wages is given. So for wages, is any adjustment given in the given somewhere about wages?
No, ma'am.
No. That means how do I need to pay them now? 1 month later, 1 month following, 2 month following, 15 days following. How do I need to pay them? Now it is little confusing because they are not asking us anything, because they are not informing us anything. So how we need to pay them? See, I am going to pay wages. That is for sure. 100% sure I need to pay the wages, because otherwise if I don't pay wages, the laborers will leave my company. And if laborers are not there, production will stop, no? If goods are not produced on time, how will I sell the products? If sales is not there, profit will not be there. If profit is not there, then cash will not be there. If cash is not there, then company will stop running smoothly. Company will not be able to run smoothly. Are you getting my point? I will have to incur the expenses. Wages, I need to pay wages, yes. किसी का हक तो नहीं खा सकते ना. It is right of the laborers. I cannot take away the right of the laborers. If they are working for me, I need to pay the wages. How do I need to pay? If they are not disclosing anything in the adjustment, means same month. Means same month. Same month means if the laborers are working for February, they will get the wages in the February month only. If it is for March, they will get the wages in the March. If it is for April, they are going to get the wages in the month of April. Therefore, same month. If nothing is disclosed, then same. Then same. So next line you will write same month. Next line you have to write same month. Are you following me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So same month. So tell me same month means for April, which is the same month for April?
April.
April. Same month means same. For April, what are the wages?
11,000.
11.
Very good. So you will write April ka 11,000 in April only. April's 11,000 wages will be paid in month of April only. Okay. Now I'm coming down to the next month, which is known as May.
May.
So can you tell me the same month for May? Which is same
10.
month for May?
Acha, May.
Same, May. Okay. So what are the wages for May? 10,000.
10.
And what are the wages for June?
15.
15,000.
15,000.
Now, is there any other expense that is given in the question?
No.
No. Therefore, now can we make the total?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So total payments. And this I will put it in block B. Block B. Now get me the total of all the payments. Of all the payments. Yes.
Ma'am, 1,55,000.
Okay. First is 1,55,000. Next.
Ma'am, 2 lakh for 53,000.
Oh, just a minute. Just give me a minute. Yes, please again.
Ma'am, 1 lakh
1,55,000.
55,000.
Next is
2 lakh 53,000.
2,53,000. I hope you are telling me only the expenses ka total.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 2,46,000 plus 15,000 is how much?
2
Last
lakh
one.
61,000.
2,61,000.
2,61,000 is the last total. And tell me the total of receipts also. The block A. Correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next is 1,50,000.
Ma'am, 1 lakh 50,000.
Next is
1 lakh 41,000.
is it correct? Everybody, please make sure. Make sure. Is it correct? Now the last part. Tell me what is the last part of the sum?
मैम
Closing balance.
Yes.
मैम ओपनिंग बैलेंस नहीं ऐड करेंगे.
Yes, you need to add the opening balance. You did not tell me with opening balance.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then you have to wait. This is to be added with opening balance. Don't write this, huh? And this
मैम
also will be
ओपनिंग
changed.
बैलेंस
See,
तीनों में
opening
add
balance
करेंगे।
will be taken with receipts. What is the formula of total receipts? What is block A? Block A means opening balance. I will write it for you in the bracket. Opening balance plus receipts. That will be known as block A. That will be known as block A. So now can you tell me block A?
2,11,000.
2,11,000. Now think about this one. You will not be able to answer because opening balance is not there. Now this you will not be able to answer for May and June because opening balance is not there. No. Once we get opening balance, we will be able to calculate block A also. How to calculate block A? How to calculate block A?
Opening balance plus
Opening
receipt.
balance plus receipt.
Very good. Opening balance plus receipts. Okay. Now is it clear? Is
Yes,
it now clear? Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
tell me for the month of April, how to calculate closing balance? A minus B. What is A? 2,11,000.
2,11,000.
And what is B? 1,55,000. So what is our closing balance?
56,000.
Yes, 56,000. Now this same 56,000, this is closing balance of April, will become opening balance for
May.
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 Yes. So now we once opening balance is there with us, we can calculate block A also. Once we have calculated opening balance, now we can calculate block A. So block A ka formula is
2,06,000.
opening balance plus receipts. So 56,000 plus 54,000 plus 96,000.
2,06,000.
2,06,000. Okay. Now 2,06,000 is block A. What is block B? 2,53,000. It is more than block A. Block B is more than block A, means expenses are more than
Negative.
incomes. Negative
Negative.
answer. Negative means bracket. Whenever there is minus something, minus 40,000, minus 30,000, so you have to make sure that you are using bracket instead of sign of minus. Okay, so 2,06,000 minus 2,53,000, A minus B. So what is your closing
Minus-
balance?
Minus 47.
Minus 47,000.
47,000 minus. Okay. Now what you have to do? 47,000 you have to take to opening balance of June. Because closing balance of May will become opening balance for June. Okay. Now 47,000 in minus. It is in minus. So what you have to do? 87,000 plus 54,000 minus 47,000. Please make sure you're deducting 47,000 from 87 and 54.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your answer?
94,000.
Very good.
94,000.
Very good. It would be 94,000. But still, again, same problem. A block is less than block number B. That means incomes are less than expenses. Therefore, it will be loss. Cash will be in shortage. So tell me, how much? A minus B?
1,67,000 minus.
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 That means 1,67,000 you will be asking bank to give you the overdraft facility. Read out the first line. Z Limited wishes to arrange for the overdraft facility. Overdraft means short-term loan for businessman. Overdraft is only and only overdraft facility is only and only available for business people. Do you know this? For businessman.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So overdraft can be taken from the bank. It is as good as short-term loan. So bank can give you short-term loan. So he is asking you He is asking you prepare a cash budget for the above period from the above data, indicating the extent of the bank facilities. That means how much bank will be able to give you the loan. Extent means how much. So how much bank overdraft will be arranged? 1,67,000. Total 1,67,000 ka bank overdraft will be arranged. Out of 1,67,000, 47,000, look at my cursor. 47,000 will be in the month of May. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to write down the
Yes, ma'am.
note. You need to write down the note just the way they have written. Write down. Have you completed this sum?